We've used Miro as our virtual whiteboard when we're running sessions virtually with nonprofits, governments, universities, startups, and small businesses. Specifically, it's been Domain 7's go-to canvas when we're working together with groups to do sessions that are about finding the future.
We have created a signature experience using Miro called the Way Forward Workshop. The Way Forward Workshop uses design thinking methodologies and creates spaces for teams to come together and really sense the needs of their communities.
Miro can be a really powerful assistant. It can help create safety for folks, help you collect data in a way that's useful afterwards, and sculpt a session that's really going to lead you to new insight, shared agreements, and even breakthroughs.
Our vision at Domain 7 is to co-create a more empathetic and connected world. Miro is a tool that can really help us foster and facilitate those experiences for folks. And that's what Domain 7 is here to do.